Good morning. This is Jennifer Seymour with Ely Goud-Hardy Architects. We are here this morning to open bids for bid project 1832, the crawl space repairs at Wingfield High School. With me this morning is Miss Betty Jones with JPS.
Yes, purchasing coordinator.
And we have received one bid online from Bid Construction, BIG Construction. Certificate of Responsibility number 23525-MC. They are a resident contractor. They've acknowledged the receipt of addendum 1 through 3. The time of completion for the project, they have put in base bid for 90 days. Their cost proposal, base bid lump sum price is $292,292,000. That concludes our bid for project 3215, crawl space repairs at Wingfield High School. Thank you.